everyone, welcome to the world of spices. In this video, we will explore names and properties of most popular 100 spices from all around the world. These amazing spices add taste, color and wonderful aroma to our food. So let's start the video. Black pepper. Black pepper is known as the king of spices. It adds heat and aroma to dishes. Cinnamon. Being sweet and warm, cinnamon is perfect for desserts and savory recipes. Cloves. Cloves are strong aromatic buds used in cooking and traditional medicines. Cumin. Cumin is earthy and nutty. Cumin seeds enhance curries, stews and spice blends. Turmeric. Turmeric is bright yellow root with earthy flavor and anti-inflammatory properties. Green cardamom. Green cardamom is sweet and fragrant, used in both sweet and savory dishes. Ginger. Ginger is pungent root that adds warmth and zest to many recipes. Nutmeg. Nutmeg is sweet and warming seed, often used in desserts and drinks. Mace. Mace is delicate spice with a flavor similar to nutmeg, used in baking. White pepper. White pepper is milder than black pepper, adds subtle heat to light colored dishes. Red chili. Red chili is hot and pungent. It gives vibrant colors and spiciness to dishes. Paprika. Paprika is sweet and mild spice that adds color and subtle flavor. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is intense and fiery, used to heat up sauces and soups. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds is sweet licorice flavored seeds, used in breads, teas and curries. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds is bitter, earthy seeds that enhance curries and spice mixes. Mustard seeds. Mustard seeds are pungent seeds used in tempering and pickling. Nigella seeds. Nigella seeds are peppery nutty seeds often sprinkled on breads and curries. Caraway seeds. Caraway seeds are earthy warm seeds used in breads and European dishes. Carom seeds. Carom seeds are pungent thyme-like flavor, ideal for digestive-friendly dishes. Star anise. Star anise is sweet licorice flavored spice used in stews and teas. Allspice. Allspice is a warm spice with hints of cinnamon, nutmeg and cloves. Saffron. Saffron has delicate floral threads that add color, aroma and flavor. Bay leaf. Bay leaves are aromatic leaves used to flavor soups, stews and curries. Galangal. Galangal is a sharp citrusy root used in Southeast Asian cooking. Long pepper. Long pepper is spicy and sweet, historically used in Indian and Indonesian cuisine. Cubeb pepper. Cubeb pepper is peppery and slightly bitter spice used in stews and sauces. Black cardamom. Black cardamom are smoky pods adding depth to savory dishes and curries. Dill seeds. Dill seeds are earthy grassy seeds used in pickles and soups. Celery seeds. Celery seeds are bitter aromatic seeds enhancing salads, stews and sauces. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are nutty aromatic seeds used in baking and cooking. Coriander seeds. Coriander seeds are citrus flavored seeds adding warmth to curries and stews. Juniper berries. Juniper berries are piney, slightly sweet berries used in sauces and meats. Licorice root. Licorice root is sweet, earthy root used for flavoring and medicinal teas. Malab. Malab is nutty cherry flavored seeds often used in Middle Eastern baking. Grains of paradise. Grains of paradise are papri citrusy seed used in African and Moroccan dishes. Sansho pepper. Sansho pepper is a lemon-scented numbing spice used in Japanese cuisine. Sichuan pepper. Sichuan pepper is a numbing citrusy spice giving unique flavor to Chinese dishes. Dried lemon peel. Dried lemon peel is tangy citrus zest used in desserts and spice blends. Orange peel. Orange peel is sweet aromatic peel adding flavor to desserts and sauces. Kashmiri Chili. Kashmiri Chili is mild smoky chili adding color without excessive heat. Bird's eye chili. Bird's eye chili is tiny but very hot, used to spice up Southeast Asian dishes. Dried curry leaves. Dried curry leaves are fragrant leaves used in Indian and Sri Lankan cuisine. Black lime. Black lime is dried lime adding smoking sour flavor to Middle Eastern dishes. Tonka Bean. Tonka bean is sweet nutty aromatic seed used in desserts and confections. Black mustard seeds. Black mustard seeds are robust, pungent seeds often used in Indian cooking. Brown mustard seeds. Brown mustard seeds are spicy, nutty seeds ideal for tempering and pickles. Yellow mustard seeds. Yellow mustard seeds are milder seeds used in sauces and mustard condiments. Kokum Rind. Kokum Rind is sour, tangy rind used in Indian curries and chutneys. Amchur or dried mango. Amchur is a sour mango powder used in Indian curries and marinades. Black cumin. Black cumin are nutty earthy seeds adding aroma to Indian dishes. Anardana or dried pomegranate seeds. Anardana adds sweet tangy flavor to curries and chutneys. Sumac. Sumac is tart, lemony spice widely used in Middle Eastern salads. Voatsiperifery pepper. This pepper is a wild Madagascan pepper with citrusy floral notes. Tasmanian Pepperberry. This pepperberry is a spicy berry with a sweet fruity finish. Pink peppercorns. Pink peppercorn is sweet, slightly peppery berries used in gourmet dishes. Radhuni. Radhuni is a strong celery-like spice used in Bengali cooking. Buchu Leaf. Buchu Leaf is a minty medicinal leaves used in South African cuisine. Epazote. Epazote is a pungent Mexican herb used to flavor beans and stews. Oregano. Oregano is a robust aromatic herb used in Mediterranean foods. Marjoram. Marjoram is a mild sweet herb used in soups and meat dishes. Basil seeds. Basil seeds are mild seeds used for drinks and cooling recipes. Dried hibiscus. Dried hibiscus is sour fruity petals used for teas and seasoning. Lovage seeds. Lovage seeds are strong celery-like seeds used in European dishes. Angelica root. Angelica root is sweet, earthy root used in liqueurs and desserts. Horehound. Horehound is a bitter herb used in candies and medicinal teas. Dried rose petals. Dried rose petal is a fragrant floral spice used in Middle Eastern dishes. Rue seeds. Rue seeds are bitter seeds historically used for flavoring. Kaffir lime leaves. Kaffir lime leaves are fragrant citrus leaves used in Thai cooking. Horseradish root. Horseradish root is sharp, pungent root used in sauces and condiments. Yuzu peel. Yuzu peel is a citrus peel whose adding gives bright aromatic flavor to Japanese dishes. Garlic. Garlic adds a strong pungent and savory flavor to many dishes. Onion powder. Onion powder gives a mild and sweet onion taste instantly. Sorrel. Sorrel provides a fresh tart and lemon-like flavor. Asafoetida. Asafoetida adds a sharp aroma and boosts overall flavor. Vanilla. Vanilla offers a sweet, warm and aromatic fragrance. Moringa. Moringa adds a mild, earthy and nutritious herbal touch. Poppy seeds. Poppy seeds provide a nutty flavor and crunchy texture. Pimento. Pimento adds a warm, sweet and slightly peppery flavor. Mugwort. Mugwort brings a bitter, earthy and aromatic herbal note. Annotto. Annotto gives a earthy taste and rich natural color. Alligator pepper. Alligator pepper adds hot, peppery and spicy notes. Stone flower. Stone flower provides a smoky, earthy and unique aroma. Quassia. Quassia brings a strong woody and bitter herbal flavor. Milk thistle. Milk thistle has a mild, nutty and earthy seed flavor. Ras el Hanout. Ras el Hanout offers a warm and complex Moroccan spice blend. Tamarind. Tamarind adds a tangy, sweet and sour taste. Peppercorns. Peppercorns give a bold, classic and spicy heat to our dishes. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, please do like, share and subscribe.